was talking about
That thing.
yes, this thing. You see? There is a museum here. Baumkuchen. So.
Is this it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Thank you for taking the City Railway. The train is the local train.
Yeah, she's...
You're sitting here. Oh, it's a nice train.
Very station.
Oh. We arrived at... Which station is it?
Juju.
Jujo. Jujo. Okay, let's now go. Oh, I like the train. The train was good. I think this is the one.
I think we need to go across from there.
Yeah. Opa. Yeah, here we are. I think it's a beautiful building. This place is one of the largest confectionery museums or shops in Japan. So, yeah, oh wow. Oh, here we go. Wow. What? It looks nice. Yeah. We will go to a cafe. But you see these cakes. Baumkuchen is a German cake, but it is very popular in Japan. It is made on a rotating spit. That's why it has a hole in the middle. The recipe was brought to Japan more than 100 years ago, and now it's one of the most popular cakes in Japan. Looks fantastic. And we will buy something here. What would you like?
Well, I don't know. Probably that.
I would like a Baumkuchen.
I want to have that. That looks amazing. You want to have that, do you?
Yeah, just. Oh, so beautiful.
So dirty. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah, it looks fantastic, and the place is brand new. Built in Japanese style, very, very smart and nice.
I've got.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, put some sauce on it.
Divine.
Divine?
It's around 32 bucks. It's okay. Not much.
Is it?
cool. Yeah. And let's have a look. It's an amazing building, huh? It's the first floor. Baking. Wow. That's interesting.
Isn't it just? No, this is the thickest
What makes it so delicious? Yeah, it's they. You see how everything is clean and yeah,
spotless and
spotless. Yeah, you're right. Aging. Oh,
it's always
it's where they keep them. Oh,
minimal.
yeah. No, I don't mind to buy one. And then that's where they pack boxing. Yeah, I probably won't buy one. I like it so much. It's amazing.
It isn't.
Wow.
Up to the cafe, restaurant. That's just the aging process here. That's the baking process. And that's the making. Baking. Packing, cutting. Oh, this is, we're doing it back to front kind of thing. That's the rollers. That's the gloves and things they use.
So amazing, huh? Thank you.